So the menu, got some all-day dining, some starters. I'm not having a starter, not really for me. For the main courses, I'm going for the grilled beef tenderloin. That sounds nice, with some steamed rice as well, which will be good. And going for a nice warm salted chocolate tart as well for afterwards. Got a light meal later as well, and I am currently tempted by both the chicken tikka masala and the classic beef burger. I might have to ask if I can have both. Some nuts. Got some nice nuts. Yep. I'm hungry. Dark rum and coke. Oh. I love it. It's time to get a bit of a buzz. Get me through these flights. And I'll make this more entertaining, in theory. Or I'll start talking nonsense, or more nonsense than what I usually speak anyway. Oh, that's strong. It's going to be interesting on an empty stomach. Cheers.